In this video I will show you how to apply coupons on SHEIN mobile app. So let's start. First open the application. And what you need to do, go here, click on me. And here you got 3 coupons available now. So click on it. And now if you copy this code, or this one, you will get this 15% off over 29 euros order, and so on and so on. So you just copy this code, and if you go back and you're gonna shop something, I don't know, maybe this, add to bag. Now choose your size, also color, and click add to bag. And now when you go here, you can click checkout. Now you will fill your name, your number, your postcode. And after you fill your information, you can choose payment method. And also if you see this apply coupon, click on it. And here you can paste the code from your coupon and click apply. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe, and see you one click later. Goodbye.